Well, hello there. I'm Marie with WTI, and I'm just making myself a cup of hot tea out of my brand new Waterdrop K6 reverse osmosis filter. This has truly been a game changer in our kitchen, and especially my morning routine is so much easier. In about a minute, I can fill my green tea at 185. Then I can turn around and fill my pup's water bowl and then my husband's French press all in less than a minute. Besides saving my mornings, it also gives me really great tasting and safe water to drink. The filter itself is very sleek and doesn't take up a lot of space. It fits really easily under our sink. It's about 3.5 cans in height and length. It was really important to me to find something that I myself could maintain. You only have to replace the filter once a year, and it's really easy. You just turn and pull out the filter. So to me, it was just as easy as switching out a light bulb. I can do that. And do you hear that? You don't? Well, that's because this is a very quiet filter, which was really important to us. It's not complicated to install at all. Waterdrop really put a lot of time and thought into the design and instructions. It's very easy and straightforward. You just need the standard 1-inch hole for the filter faucet, and so we were able to just use the hole from our previous basic filter system, and from there you simply add the adapter to the cold water line, install the faucet and the drain line, and then you plug all of them into the machine and follow the quick automated process. We love it, and I really think if you give it a try, you're gonna love it just as much as we do, and that's my point of view.